Implied consent refers to the consent when surrounding circumstances exist, which would lead a reasonable person to believe that this consent had been given, although no direct, express, or explicit words of agreement had been uttered. The person who gives consent can withdraw the consent anytime, and should have the capacity to make valid consent. The actor who gets the consent is bound by the consent and cannot exceed its scope. In contract law, the form of a contract requires mutual consent. When the offeror gives the offer, the offeree may give consent by performing on the contract. Such consent is implied by the offeree's performance.